Want your meme coin to look like the next big thing? Discover how to use volume bots the right way to skyrocket your trading volume. And I'll show you how to get your own volume bot to do some rug pull in meme coins. Plus, grab yours today at memerugs.com. Let's make your coin go viral. So, what is a volume bot? A volume bot is an automated tool that performs buy and sell transactions for tokens on an ongoing basis. It is used by token creators to create the illusion that their token is in demand. Additionally, trading volume is one of the key metrics that well-known token aggregators such as DexScreener pay attention to. The higher your trading volume, the greater the chance your token will be promoted. The hardest part is increasing trading volume in the early stages, when only you and your dog know about your new token. This is where the MemTools program, with its human mode feature, comes to the rescue. It allows you to grow trading volume in a way that looks like real people are buying and selling your token. The program costs only 3 Solana for a lifetime license. And also, you can find DogWifTool bundler and some volume bots and script to do a successful rug pulls. However, memerugs.com is the best market to find all tools for meme rugs and trading bots, volume bots. Now, I'll show you how to install it. First, we create wallets. Then we fund them, update the balances, and the funds are successfully added to the wallets. Next, we go to the settings, set the range of amounts for token purchases, configure the number of buys and sells from a single address, and set the time range between transactions. Once the bot is set up, we can launch it and watch the results. As you can see, the bots are buying and selling tokens, creating the appearance of demand and interest in the token. At any moment, you can sell all tokens from all addresses with a single button click. Now let's check out all tools available at memerugs.com market. Here you can see crypto bundlers, volume bots, radium bundlers, pump fund bundlers, and more. I will post a link to this meme tools market will be in the video description. Don't forget to like this video and leave comments if you have any questions about the installation or configuration of the program. See you later.